Hello, and welcome to Wheel Joint. Today, I'll show you how to adjust the headrest height in a Kia Sportage. Properly positioning your headrest is essential for comfort and safety while driving. So, let's get started. To raise the headrest, simply pull it up to the desired position. Now, take a moment to look at the headrest. Notice that it has two prongs or rods that slide into the seat. One of them has a release button that we can use to lower the headrest. Simply press the button, and while doing so, push the headrest downward with your other hand. And that's it. You successfully adjusted the headrest height in your Kia Sportage for a more comfortable and safe driving experience. Remember, it's essential to have the headrest at the right height to support your head and neck during your journeys. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.